Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a wig review that promises to give you effortless style and ultimate comfort. I'll be talking about the Raquel Welch Flying Solo Shoulder-Length Page Boy Wig. It's a product from Hairuwear, and it's all about flexibility, breathability, and giving you that perfect look every day. If you're someone who's been searching for a go-to wig with easy maintenance and great versatility, this could be it. The Raquel Welch Flying Solo wig comes in the color RL1622 Ice Sweet Cream, which is a gorgeous light blonde with a mix of soft, cool tones. It's designed with a petite-average cap size, perfect if you've got a smaller to medium head shape, and it's got a nice balance between the length and weight, weighing just 3.5 ounces. It's got a modern layered bob with airy layers that just fall into place. Seriously, it looks so chic right out of the box. Now, let's talk about the materials. This wig is made with true-to-life, heat-friendly synthetic hair, which means you've got the flexibility to flat iron, curl, or blow dry it, giving you so much more freedom when it comes to styling. Plus, the maintenance is a breeze. You don't have to worry about spending hours trying to keep it looking fresh, which is a huge win in my book. One of the standout features of this wig is its Luxe Light cap, which is a breakthrough in design. It offers maximum breathability, so if you're wearing it for an extended period, it won't feel hot or uncomfortable. You also get a 100% hand-tied lace front and mono part, which means you can part it wherever you like. And the lace front ensures a natural hairline. The craftsmanship here is top-notch. When I first tried it on, I was honestly surprised at how lightweight it felt on my head. It didn't feel heavy at all, which is perfect for those hot summer days, or just when you want to forget you're wearing a wig at all. The cap is so comfortable, and the layers are just effortlessly stylish. Whether you're heading out for the day or just need something easy to throw on, this wig requires no stylist. It's basically styled for you. After wearing it for a few days, I noticed that the comfort factor was a huge plus. The layers stayed in place without needing too much adjustment. I could style it straight, with a soft curl, or just let it fall naturally, and each time it looked fantastic. It's definitely one of those wigs that you can rely on day after day. In terms of pros, the true-to-life heat-friendly fibers really stand out. I love that I can play around with the look without worrying about damaging the hair. The hand-tied cap also gives it a more natural fit and feel, which I really appreciate. The lightweight construction and breathable design are huge for comfort, especially if you're wearing it all day. Plus, the lace front gives that realistic hairline, so it's hard to tell that it's a wig. But there are a few cons to consider. While the Luxe Light cap is breathable, it may not offer the same level of hold as some other, more structured caps. If you're someone who needs a super secure fit, this might not be the wig for you. Additionally, the synthetic material, although heat-friendly, won't quite match the look and feel of real human hair. So if you're looking for something with a completely natural texture, you might want to explore other options. As for value for money, this wig is priced at a premium, but it does deliver in terms of quality, versatility, and convenience. Given the craftsmanship and the design, I'd say it's a fair price for what you're getting. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are other synthetic wigs out there that offer similar features at a lower price. Now, let's talk alternatives. If you like the look but want something a bit more budget-friendly, you could check out wigs like the Jon Renau synthetic lace front wigs. They offer some great options that are a bit more affordable but still provide that lightweight feel and natural look. So what's the final verdict? The Raquel Welch Flying Solo wig is definitely a winner if you're looking for something that's stylish, comfortable, and low maintenance. It's perfect for those who need a versatile wig that can go with just about any outfit without spending too much time in the styling chair. The only downside is the premium price, so if that's within your budget, I say go for it. If not, there are plenty of alternatives out there that offer similar results. If this review was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so that other beauty lovers can discover this video. Your support really helps us keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for tuning in today. If you've tried this wig or have any thoughts about it, leave a comment below. Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.